In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Notion formulas to convert minutes to hours. We'll build a simple, reusable table that takes the number of minutes you enter and instantly converts them into hours, so you don't have to do mental math or switch to a calculator. This is perfect for tracking tasks, meeting durations, or any time-based work inside Notion. Start by opening Notion and signing into your account. From your workspace, create a new page. Give it a clear name so you can find it later. Something like time conversion works well and keeps your workspace tidy. On the blank page, choose Table, Full Page. This layout gives you room to work and makes the table the focus of the page, which is helpful when you're managing multiple entries. Now let's set up the columns. Rename the default title column to Task. This is where you'll describe what the time belongs to, maybe a meeting, a research block, or a workout. Next, add a new column and name it Minutes. Set its property type to number so Notion treats everything you enter as a numeric value. Then add a third column called hours and set its property type to formula. This is where the conversion will happen automatically. And go ahead and enter a few rows of data. In the task column, type the names of your tasks. In the minutes column, enter the time for each task in plain numbers. No text, just values like 30, 45, or 120. You can add as many rows as you need, and you can always come back to this table later to add more. To create the conversion, click the hours column header and select Edit Property. In the formula editor, type prop minutes/60. This simply divides the minutes by 60 to give you hours. Click Done to save. As soon as you do, Notion will calculate the hours value for every row in your table. Take a moment to review the results. You'll see values like 90 minutes becoming 1.5 hours and 120 minutes showing as 2 hours. If your minutes column is blank for a row, the hours column will remain empty for that row as well. If you prefer a cleaner look, you can round the result. Open the formula again and use round prop minutes value 62 to display 2 decimal places. You can also adjust the number format in the column settings to keep decimals consistent across your table. From now on, anytime you add a task and enter minutes, Notion will instantly convert them into hours for you. No extra work required. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Notion tips and tutorials.